Itatakamin lang ako. Traidor yan eh. So ano, no comment?
Tama na.
Aalis ka na naman.
One shot, tama na, please.
Tama na.
Ako gusto ko bumalik sa pelikula. Tulad ng sabi ko noong umpisa, kung babalik man ako sa pelikula, gusto ko kasama ko si Jude. Kasi siya yung kasama ko rin nung nagpipelikula ako. Kasi I tried na mag-solo eh. Parang hindi ko kaya mag-isa.
Kaya mo yan.
Ayoko kasi nung ganung pressure. Alam mo yun, parang, di ba, sa'yo nakasalalay lahat. Parang, ikaw yun nasa iyo. At least pagka tayo magkasama, at least dalawa tayo mape-pressure.
Sure, may kadamay ka, grabe. But yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, so, you know, working with Josh again, working with Star Cinema again, and of course, the material.
For me, siguro ngayon mas mature na yung approach namin sa lahat ng bagay. No?
That's true.
The way kapag work, alam mo yan, tapos pag-usap. Pero siyempre, minsan pagka-sabaw na rin tayo, medyo naglalaro na rin tayo.
Yeah, medyo parang
Bumabalik yung pagkabata na.
sabaw, which is okay. Oo. Never lose the kid in you.
Tama.
Yeah, it makes you happy.
Yeah, siguro mas doon ko siya nakita sa part na yan. Ikaw, what do you think?
What? Yeah, we're much more relaxed now. Iba din yung level ng tulungan namin ngayon. At saka yung level ng, you know, yung tamang pag-alalay sa isa't isa. But the fun, it's still the same. Yung kulit namin, yung biruan namin.
Mas nadagdagan pa.
Mas nadagdagan pa yung pagkasabaw namin. Talagang sabay din kaming nasasabaw. Alam mo yun? So parang, it's just nice. It's nice to be working with somebody who, you know, knows you too.
But you, how would I say?
Wait, sorry, natawa ako sa laugh mo.
The perspective.
Yung laugh mo pagkatapos sabi niya. Are you happy? Okay ka naman. Sorry.
Sorry, commercial break.
Okay, let's cut that part. Okay.
That's funny.
But it's fun. It's funny.
What did I
It's funny. It's your usual laugh.
Or sabaw. Speaking of sabaw.
Nawala yung Julia B.
Okay, on a serious note, he's always been good at what he does, but it's so nice to see the maturity, like, now, yung awareness niya ngayon sa set, yung inputs niya, yung suggestions niya, and it just goes to show na he really thinks about, you know, a scene before he steps on the set. So, alam mong he's committed to the project.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How about you, Joshua? Would you differentiate Julia's out?
Tulad na sabi ko kanina, isa sa mga na-appreciate ko kay Ju during na ginagawa namin yung project na to ay yung pagka-hands-on niya sa script. Like, sabi ko nga, siya yung unang nakakapansin nung parang hindi gagawin ng character namin to. Siya yung unang nakakapansin ng mga ganun. Tapos parang ako naman na hindi ko napansin nung binasa ko yung script. Sabi ko, oo nga, pati ko nakita yun. Kaya parang natututo ako sa kanya. Ang ganda niyang kapartner sa mga eksena kung ganun siya ka-hands-on. Kasi sa some actors, they just read the script and then babato lang sa'yo nila yung linya. Diba? Hindi sila ganun ka-hands-on dun sa script. Yung sa mga beats. Yun, isa pa yun, yung mga beats namin mas malinaw na ngayon. Kasi before, parang pag nag-excel na kami, isa lang, pataas na lang, gano'n, binabato lang namin. But now, parang nahihimay namin yung mga linya kung ano yung tamang emotion for that. So yeah, and then sa tulong ni Direk, mas napapaganda pa namin yung eksena. Kasi ganda rin yung vision ni Direk, lalo na yung DOP namin si Tehaki. Pag nag-usap na yung dalawang yan, ganda ng vision, ang ganda ng shot. Even yung camera, pinapa-arte nila eh. So, it's one thing na na-appreciate ko rin dun sa team. And lahat ng team namin, karamihan, mga bata.
Yeah,
ano? So,
the
ganda.
ideas are fresh.
Yung idea. Day one is Manila, the flashback.
Oh, the food park. That was
Yeah,
fun.
no. Yeah,
Yeah, it was the food park. And then your house was next.
Ang gandang warm-up nung flashback kasi we could just, kasi tapos ang hinahanap pa namin, kailangan nila ng dapat bagets pa kami. So instead na nakaganto ako, nakaslouch lang ako palagi. Parang naglalaro lang kami nung mga first 2 days namin.
Yeah.
So ang saya.
Yeah, I think that was really nakatulong yun sa atin kasi we could just be happy and children and yeah.
Okay ka ba? I'm happy. Natatawa ka ba? I think that...
It is challenging. I feel like
Ikaw
emotionally
feeling may
we were so
location
stretched.
challenging siya.
Oo,
There's no wind eh, no? Sa location
Wala
natin.
sa Naga.
Oo.
Mainit talaga siya.
Humid siya dun eh.
Although we enjoyed Naga, the people are
We
nice.
enjoyed.
The food is good.
You met with former VP.
Yes, who visited
Yes,
us all the
oo,
time.
oo.
Sent us food every day.
Oo.
Thank you so much.
Yun lang, ang hirap lang mag-scene ng humid na
Yeah.
tagaktak pawis. So every cut pumapasok, nawawala kami sa, alam mo yun, sa emosyon. So,
Yeah.
yun. But yeah, it was, One thing na mararamdaman nila dito is nostalgic. Mamimiss nila, I'm pretty sure na-miss nila kami. So, yung nostalgic feeling lang na may share lang ako. One time kasi nag-ask kami and we did the lyrical dance and there's one audience na naiyak daw siya habang sumasayaw kami. So, yun dun palang malalaman na,
Yeah.
na-miss nila tayo.
Yeah.
Parang,
Maybe this movie can help you heal
yeah.
and be more
Tama.
compassionate and be more compassionate about each other, di ba?
Yeah, I think yun. Mas matututunan mo dito na mag-heal talaga. Tama si Ju. Kasi parang hindi man siya ganun kadetalyado na may papakita pero nakita mo yung process din nung lahat
And I don't wanna go back.
Zay, please.
Pancho!
Dito ako, oh. Harapin natin to. Panindigan naman natin to.
Sa kanya